Right, how is everyone doing today? Welcome back to another video. And today, what I have for everyone is my microphone test video for the Lytmi clip-on Bluetooth earbuds. So in today's video, we're going to be testing out the microphones built into these earbuds in two distinctive scenarios. The first one is going to be, as you guys and gals see it here, an ideal or as close to ideal noise-free environment as I can get it. And then the second scenario is going to be testing out the microphones in a simulated noisy or crowded environment using my TV with my Roku hooked up to it that I have set up in the background. So without further ado, I hope you guys and gals enjoyed today's video, and I hope you guys and gals find it helpful, and let's begin. So the entirety of this video so far has been being recorded in an ideal or as close to ideal noise-free environment as I can get it, and all the audio is being recorded using the onboard microphones on the Lytmi clip-on Bluetooth earbuds. So you guys and gals let me know what you think down below in the comments. Now, let me push play on my Roku in the background, and we're going to test out the microphones in a simulated noisy or crowded environment. Now, for reference, my TV is set to 18% volume, and I'm going to push play. I'm going to let it play for a little bit, and then I'm going to just continue to talk at my natural volume, at my natural cadence, and we're going to see how the microphones perform. Hopefully, they do a good job. Let's push play now. Okay, let this play for a little bit. That's good. Now I'm just going to continue to talk at my natural volume and my natural cadence, and we'll see how the microphones do, isolating my voice over the surrounding or ambient sounds. So this is an example of how the microphones perform on the Lytmi clip-on Bluetooth earbuds in a simulated noisy or crowded environment. Hopefully they're doing a good job. I won't know until I watch the video back in post. Okay, that seems good. Let's stop it now. Okay, and now we're back to an ideal or as close to ideal noise-free environment as I can get it. And that, guys and gals, essentially does it for this microphone test video. Now, real quickly before I get up out of here and we bring the video to a close, I just want to let everyone know how I have today's video set up. So recording the video here today, we are using the front and rear facing cameras on the Google Pixel 6a. Today's video is being recorded in 1080p at 30 FPS, and we do have Bluetooth external audio hooked up. Okay? And I'm going to throw up some B-roll now, letting y'all see exactly how I have this set up. So all I've done was I connected the Bluetooth earbuds to the Google Pixel 6a, as y'all can see in the B-roll here. Then I just jumped into the stock Google Pixel camera application. All right. Then I set up the volume and verify that y'all can see I am using crowd noise from YouTube. So I set it up at 18% volume, as you can see. Then I went ahead and switched the cameras over to video mode. Now, the cool thing about the Pixel devices is that you have Bluetooth audio support using either the front or the rear facing cameras. So I just switched it over to video mode, and then I switched the microphone input over into Bluetooth mode. And I think it's really cool that Google has this Bluetooth integration. For a long time, Samsung was a pioneer of this Bluetooth integration, but it seems like Samsung's Bluetooth integration is kind of hit or miss, whereas Google's Bluetooth implementation seems to be more widely compatible with Bluetooth audio devices. So that's really cool. Then I just set the volume, as I've said, spun the cameras around so I can use the front facing camera and push record. That is how I set up today's video. Alright, so I hope you guys and gals enjoyed today's video. If you did, you guys and gals know what to do. If you guys and gals would like to see more content like this, you guys and gals know what to do as well. I hope everyone is having a great day. I hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there, and I will catch everyone in the next video. Have a good one, everybody. We're out of here. Peace.